The majority of us are now presenting virtually 5 or 6 times a day. When we had meetings and presentations in real life, not everybody was presenting, but we are on screen, presenting ourselves virtually. Superstar Communicator is doing a one-day intense virtual presentation course. I will give you the link below where you can find out more information, and it will give you everything from the purpose of you speaking to giving you the confidence to present virtually and all of those tips and tricks to ensure that you really engage your audience through what you say and how you say it. Go to the link below. I look forward to hearing from you.